welcome back to my channel. Well, I have an extra video for you today. A lot of you that's been with me for a long time know that I partner up with FabFitFun to bring you their boxes, and I'm bringing you their fall box. I can't wait to unbox this fall box and see what all's in it. I love FabFitFun and I love getting all the little goodies that's contained in it. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal box, which means you get it 4 times a year, and they have full-size lifestyle, wellness, fitness, and beauty items. And your box is customizable. And the box is $49.99. But I have a coupon code that I'll put in the description box below that'll allow you to get $10 off your first box. So I think that is a really good deal. And I always love to show you the boxes because they're so pretty and vibrant. And they've switched up their box a little bit this year. This is 100% recycled craft box. And then it has 100% recycled craft paper inside. So I think that's always good when you can help the environment. And they partner up with women-owned companies and philanthropic causes, which is always so important to me. This season, FabFitFun is working with No Kid Hungry, because since the virus has emerged, there's a lot of children that are going without food, and they have given 13 million meals a day. So I think that's really good. So let me flip the camera down and we will see what's in my box. I love it. It's like getting a present 4 times a year. Okay, like I said before, I think I said, your FabFitFun box always comes with this little magazine, and it tells you how much each of the items actually cost. It shows you how to style any of the items that you received, and has recipes, and then it talks about the particular charity that they're working with this month. And like I said, this is ending hunger in America. So I think that's really good. So let's flip over here and get into what is in my box. Okay, since I have my contacts in, I'm going to put my readers on so I can see, okay? So the first thing I see here is a HelloFresh little coupon where you get, if you get 10 free meals with the purchase of 1. And I've never tried HelloFresh. I'm thinking about it because it looks so convenient and delicious and healthy. So I'm thinking about that. And then this is also about a wine subscription, okay? So the first thing I see is a Mason Tops little mason jar hydration kit. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm all excited, and I did peek at this one already. I couldn't stand it. Okay, but this one is in this really pretty teal, and the top pops up, and you can put a straw in there if you want, or you can just sip out. It's a glass like water bottle with a mason jar, and it has holds 20 ounces. And it has this little neoprene sleeve on it, which will help keep your items cool and I would think help protect it. So I love this. I think it's so important to try to drink out of glass when you can. Okay, then the next thing I see is this Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. Okay, and this one is, I don't know if I told you, the flask is $35, so you've almost paid for your box with that one item. Now this Height Tranquility Sleep Mist is $22. And it says it's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. So let's see what it smells like. That smells like a spa. It's not overpowering. It's just yummy, okay? Love that, all right? Then I have the Volition Celery Green Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. That's always a good thing to get, okay? This jar right here, it is $55. This box is always well over $200, okay? Says this oil-free moisturizer targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tones. So let's look at this. Look at that. Oh, that just smells wonderful. And it's not greasy. It goes into your skin, but it makes your skin feel so good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a spa night tonight. Okay. Oh, I love that. All right, and then this looks like jewelry, so I'm all about that. This says Jenny Bird. Okay, this is a bracelet. It's the Jenny Bird Austin cuff. All right, let me go ahead and put that on. Okay, here's my cuff bracelet, and you can see it has a big long extender. And this was $135. Love it. This would be so pretty to layer with your big chunky sweaters. Oh, love it. Okay, and this right here, I know what this is. This is a hip cutlery set. It says swap your disposable utensils with this wheat and straw cutlery set. It also comes with a carrying case, and it's valued at $14.99. And this would be really good. You know, we don't go in and eat in any restaurants because of the virus, but I was thinking if we started going maybe to restaurants that were outdoor, we could take this. I could take this. If I had two, I could give one to my husband, but I could take this and, you know, I could use this, and it is not flimsy at all. That's very sturdy. So I love this. You can just keep it in your purse and use that when you're out and about. I just love that. And then when you're finished, it stores it in here. You don't get anything messy until you get home to wash it. Love it. Okay, and this, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the Bocator New York Trigger Backpack. This is valued at $100. Oh my gosh. If you've been with me a while, you know I love backpacks, okay? So let me go ahead and get this, and we will try this. Oh, and look, it even says Bocator on the strap. I love this. And this is like a vegan leather, and then this is like a almost like a lightweight raincoat would be. And then when you open it up, I'll pull it inside out. Here's a zipper right here in the back, and then you have all that room down in there. And then this unzips and this unzips. You could keep your car keys in there, anything. Oh, I love this. And it has a little handle here if you want to carry it like this. And I love it. It's just so small and cute. I love it. This is a wonderful box, and we are not done, okay? Then I have Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. The scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients, and this is valued at $30. Let's smell this. I love their fall boxes. They're always wonderful. Oh my gosh. That's such a warm, delicious scent. It's perfect for fall. I love it. And then one more thing, and that is it. Let me take this off. Okay, then I have Crease Release. The Laundress New York Crease Release. And this is easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. And this is valued at $16. See what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad at all. It smells nice. It just smells fresh and clean. So this is everything that was in my Fall 2020 FabFitFun unboxing. I love FabFitFun. I can't speak highly enough about it. Like I said, the box is $49.99, and it's always valued way over $200. So you basically, if you buy one thing, you get everything else for free, and there are such items that you may not just normally try on your own. I love it, and you can give them away as gifts if you don't want everything. But I think I may be a little hoggish. I think I'm going to keep everything. So I'll put the code in the description box below that will give you $10 off your first box. And so I will see you with I'm not sure when this video is going up. So I will see you for a DIY or a haul or something like that very soon. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys.